Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your Praveen Kumar and you're watching Shades of Praveen. For today's video, to draw a Batman logo, we are going to require a black pen, black and yellow color pencil. So let's get started. Here I had already drawn an oval shape using pencil. Now I just giving it a darker look by black pen. Now I'm going with the wings of the bat symbol, making it curve according to the border. Lot of people are familiar with Batman logo, so I took Batman logo for today's video. If you want me to draw any other logo or characters, do let me know in the comment section. Done with the bat. Now we just need to color the background of the bat with yellow color pencil and our job is done. There, our Batman logo is ready now. That's the wrap up for today's video. Stay tuned for the next exciting shade of Shades of Praveen.